minute you're pan rhythm, next minute you're off the rhythm. You see me at this, so me feel I really need for work.
Yeah.
Pan, rhythm and flow, cause we need even listen to fully where you really say like a bombing in, you know, and after that a famine in, and then a dumping and banana and pumpkin and dashing, you know. You know, say I say a bag of things, so you don't know. It's a solid 5 my general. Manners are respect.
Alright, thank you for that, Kisha. Las Vegas, yes.
A 5 for me as well. I think the other judges have said it clear. I'll give you a 5.
Alright, Lady Tash.
I didn't give you a score. I didn't. Thanks for your effort, but I couldn't give you a score.
Alright, so you know you have to go just to order my boss, you have to just go order, you understand? Pick up yourself. Hey, thank you. You don't know to be a part of this show. You know it going on. Just do your homework, my boss, and forward again. Oh, you mean 100% talent Jamaica. Hey, we like Wagwan. Make your way to center stage, my boss. Next contestants right now. Wagwan, my general. What you deal with? You have a surprise with a week here.
I have some youth out there touch out the man every minute and go on like so them don't want to work. Yeah? Well, big up everybody, the staff, the crew, 100% pure talent. So me I say, this song is all about you them sit down at daytime, no want to look no work. Them see the people in my past I got work and I stretch out them on a bigger thing and a bigger grand. You remember the rhythm? Just burn it right away, we not wait. But so you don't know the thing go. Y'all some you get about a road and go on like them don't want to work. Eh? They know you achieve. Eh? Do some with your life, man. Alright then, me want to know if money grow up on me. Every time me say me you just a beg me money. Sit down on your yard with your eye on me. Sit down on your yard and watch me daily, yeah. Me want to know if money grow up on me. Every time me say me you just a beg me money. Sit down on your yard with your eye on me. You know want to look no work, you just come lazy. Lazy, you lazy, you lazy. You know want work, it seems like you're crazy. Every minute you pose na expensive clothes. When you check your pocket, them empty. Let me tell you this, move from beside me. Cause every minute you want to come style me. I mean I want to hear you borrow story. If you not work, or the hell you want to pay me. Sure, me want to know if money grew up on me. Every time I say me you just a beg me money. Sit down on your yard with your eye on me. Sit down on your yard and watch me daily, yeah. Me want to know if money grew up on me. Every time I say me you just a beg me money. Sit down on your yard with your eye on me. You know want to look no work, you just come lazy. I pay lazy in the spring out now your blood. You know want to take this style for your foot full of mud. You want me go out there and then you come and talk. Say bring back some when time me forward, yeah. Me want to know if you're handicapped. Cause I you see him once you know the chop. You know what look no work, you a ball but you broke like you tell the people them for you idiot. So, me want to know if money grow up on me. Every time I say me you just a beg me money. Sit down on your yard with the eye on me. Sit down on your yard and watch me daily, yeah. Me want to know if money grow up on me. Every time I say me you just a beg me money. Sit down on your yard with the eye on me. You know I go look no work, you just come lazy. Me tell us I go look some work and I want do it. You can't go it over and you can't do it. But when people are pass you a beg them a mass. Pick up your face when you don't get it. You know how hard people work for it. You come and stretch out your hand and me afraid of it. Me a talk from me heart, everything when you talk it really smell just like rubbish. So, me want to know if money grew up on me. Every time I say me get this up.
Hey, if you think this artist is so excited right here, right now here on 100% talent, as I'm saying now, as the show go on, it's getting better and better right now. Hey, we started with our first judges right now, Lady Tash.
Money in the group and what we tell them say, money.
Patan. Alright, straight 10. Alright, General. What you say the artist excited? Oh my God.
Yeah, yo, was Banton. Yo, was, yeah. Song. Powerful, I like how the rhythm where you choose. You know, this is an authentic dancehall type of rhythm and it's a new rhythm too, you know. Cause my friend them dep on a rhythm, you see me? So, I like the fact that you're authentic, you know what I mean? And everything composed and everything there, you see me? But me, personally, some of your words them, I couldn't hear. Cause you're DJ fast and the rhythm, you know, it's fast and it a move fast. But me understand the concept where you're dealing same way. Cause I can put 1 and 3 together and know, so that you say. Yo, but the me this, so you don't know it's a solid 8 for me, general. Hold them.
Yes, Kisha. You have your bouncing. You have you excited over there.
as Million would say, excited. You know, this is so fun. Everything that you say is just so true. Because some people don't understand how hard you work for what you have. It is like say a water and it wants it more and more. I love it. I have to give a 10. Hey.
Thank you for that, Tisha. Last speakers. Hey, Nero Monisha. What the 5?
Alright, it's a solid 8 for me still. One thing make you never get the 10. The performance, movement on the stage, the use of stage, the use of your digital devices around you, just capturing the moment. You understand? So that is it for me.
Alright, that performance was an exciting one. 100% talent Jamaica right now, doing big things for you. Hey, you have to move to another level. To another level. Hey, we like the rhythm right now. This rhythm is really exciting right now. Hey, think about yourself. Hey, as we go on straight into the show, the performers, all contestants right here, hey, they might come out, they might bring it, they might showcase them talent. And we really have to big up everybody who make this 100% Talent Jamaica show possible. Yeah, we're highlighting artists right now. Make your way to center stage. Next contestant right now. Oh, you mean? Push them way. Push them way. Hey, make a bit of dance him. Push them. What you did for general? Everything good?
Well, I did what life I deal with. Greetings to all judges and greetings to the world. You know what I mean? Sky push out here, drop the beat, DJ Smokey. You know what I mean? Get a youth, still out here wise, you know. You know what I mean? Cause we want to arrive in the future alive, you know? Right, so Nero, One Time, Tosh, Sedway, Kisha, Arobas. World global world, man, Papi, Saint and Joe. They say we still a big up. Drop the beat, DJ. Yeah. You get the people. In every cribbits and corner. I just one issue. Everybody have, you know. So you know the tempo have to come up. When it also come on to the work rate of getting it. Yeah. Money and the issue, man. Me don't make for my decision. Money are the topic and me have to be good at it. Every girl want rich man. True, yeah. Money are the issue, dan. House on the land, big boat and big van dungeon. Me come from good thing, me stay strong. Yeah, money are the issue, man. Get a youth just hold your head up. Poverty make enough get fed up. Last night me no eat and me still drop asleep. And I hunger greet me when me wake up. Fed up when me nah beat me behave myself. Me never make no move to shame myself. When me nah beat, everybody want it. No make them take it on your target. We all tell them money are the issue, man. We don't make for my decision. Money are the topic and me have to be good at it. Every girl want rich man. True, yeah. Money are the issue, dan. House on the land, big boat and big van dungeon. We come from good thing, me stay strong. Yeah, money are the issue, man. Fat bricks are roll up, tank full up. Gun up on the belt so no pull up. And I can't berry kush me head full up. I remember when we used to get stood up. Me still remember when me get my first charge. Then me out and glistening large. Me I tell them don't I work us it hard. But me tough it up and show them say we bad. We I tell them money and the issue, man. We turn neck for my decision. Money are the topic and me have to be good at it. Every girl want rich man. True, yeah. Money are the issue, dan. House on the land, big boat and big van dungeon. We come from good thing, me stay strong, yeah. Me are the issue, man. Get a youth just hold your head up. Poverty make enough get fed up. Last night we no eat and we still drop asleep. And now hunger greet me when we wake up. Fed up. Right, this up, the message. Right, this is the issue of everybody. So pull up your socks, get to you. Remember them time.
Oh, you mean keep your head up, Sky Pusher. Hey, I think that one is a great one. I like the content, you know what I mean? Hey, trust me, you're doing well, my brother. You know, Fisher Las Vegas. Sky Pusher. Push everything right now.
In wasting no time, I give Sky Pusher a 10 because the content was just clear Or me write the rhythm and just sing it exactly how you need to hear it, and every single word you can hear. I loved it. 10.
Fully 10. Alright. Lady Tash. I use a female name now. Lady
You
Tash.
want to go they get 10 out of 10. Why you look good they get 10 out. Hey, trust me. Yo, clarity, not to mention your cuteness. Somebody fan me, hot inside here.
You burning up.
Understand me? And so me like when the contestant them come out and them look nice and them go on nice. 10 out of 10.
Alright, fully 10. Sky Pusher, that one. You know what I mean? Nero Balisha. Hey, what you think?
You know, I'm right down my score along there, right? The man just deliver 45 on stage. Just now. It's a solid thing that for me. So you are going on life now. We have chances, we have choices. You understand? We have opportunities. You understand? We have a purpose in our life also. So guess what now? You see all things that are set today, you left in a run right now.
Sky Pusher. Big up yourself, but General Arrow.
No, you see, a bad artist are bad artists. Yeah, me I tell you, nothing can stop bad artists. You see me I deal with. You see me, but here we go on now. I don't know if because he's not a fan of the trap, dancehall, rhythm. You see me? It sound like a trap rhythm to me. You see me I deal with. I'm not really a fan of the hip hop rhythm. So the same trap is not a dancehall rhythm, and that me I say. They don't have a dancehall, you get me I deal with. So I just that and me just an authentic supporter of dancehall music. You see me I deal, you see that Bobo ya, two of the killer deal is a one drop me I look for the song pan. And if you overs when me I deal with, and that I go sell the song brother, fully reggae one drop. So you see for me, overs. Solid 9. Arrow them.
Oh, you mean? Big up yourself. Sky Pusher, we are push them way, you know. Yeah. Hey, push it. Turn up the rhythm right now. Sky Pusher is pushing them away right now. Hey, Sky Pusher, hey, push them. Push them. Push them. Push them. Hey, a brand new dance. We're going to create a dance right here at the 100% Talent Jamaica for Sky Pusher. We are going to push them way. Alright, so you don't know. Turn down the beat right now. Hey, remember new contestants right now. 2 judge only. Alright. So the next contestant, make your way to center stage right now. Alright? Yeah. Oh, we have a new contestant. Okay. Alright. Introduce yourself to Jamaica and the world and welcome you to 100% Talent Jamaica. Alright?
Good day. My name is Brianna Thomas and I am from the beautiful parish of St. Catherine.
For the long way round, 2 bottle whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving out tomorrow. What you say? When I'm gone, oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone. When I'm gone, oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk. You're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round, the one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers, and I'm sure it'd be prettier with you. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone, when I'm gone. Oh, oh, you're mama, hey, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're sure gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Hey, trust me, all the singers. Hey, what is your name again?
Brianna.
Okay, this is Brianna, and trust me, all the singers there, but feel like the singer them are winning now. That week, I tell you, all contestants go out, everybody right now highlighting them talent, but trust me, hey, what you say? Them are gonna miss you when you're gone? Alright, you know where it go. Alright, Keisha Las Vegas.
I like that. That was so fun. Question: how were you made aware of 100% talent?
Well, my brother's friend was on it, and he showed me her video, and I was like, whoa, I like this show, and I want to join it, and pursue my talent of singing.
Welcome. That was a perfect job, but I'll give you a 9 for now. All right.
Nero Malisha.
Yo, watch out. Is it that?
Yeah, cry?
No, it just go on, come here and say, new contestants, and when they come on the stage, will always have something to say. And she's quite comfortable on the stage. She walk up and down, she talk to the device, them everything, and she present herself as a perfect score of 10 for me right there. You see me? Pick up yourself.
100% talent. Jamaica is really getting so excited right now. Our general, what do you think about this female artist?
Alright.
Next level.
Bad singer. Raise up the bar again. Go on with yourself and a bag of something.
Yo, Vaz.
Welcome you to the talent competition. We can see a bright future in you being a part of this talent show. You see me, I'm not going to really give you a score until we see you forward next week. Then you're really there at the scoreboard. But right now, wonderful performance. Big up yourself, bro.
All right, thank you for that, our general. Hey, we're gonna keep you inside the competition, you know. Yeah, Lady Tash.
Beautiful.
We have to make sure that she in the competition. We gonna miss you if you're gone. Trust me, we're gonna keep on putting the votes right now. New contestant. Hey, I mean, 100% talent doing this right now. Moving up artists to another level. I mean, we're moving on to another contestant right now. Hey, you know what's going on? Next contestant, make your way to center stage. Hey, this artist go by the name of Black Talent. Well excited. Wait, I did my boss. A man, colorful. Yeah, you like your fault from up on Bobo Hill. What go on? What you bring for it this week?
Just dry and fun and hardcore music as usual. Do that. Yeah, you know I want chopper life, you know. And you know where I live that, though. I'm more rum on my table. A chrome on my neighbor. Alone fun cause we able. Knock them out how we do it. And I get wild when they grab her with the rum soak. Man pile yeah, we bad and we no run joke. Skull a file so no bother with the gun sport. And for the Kyle we go chad and it a comfort. Chip up the ice make it any pour out. Yeah me feel nice that I when me sure about. Weed me fly when you say me source out. From the grab a leaf right everywhere me tour out. Portmore, money enough so we not think twice. Slap with the bar we not taxing price. Me bad brother ROG drive out with a browning. So me make a dark skin ties. Colors out and the bar sting bright. Fling with the grab if you not sting right. Girl you have to be like how the drawstring tight. We be miss everlasting right. Girl I get wild when they grab her with the rum soak. Man wild yeah we bad and we no run joke. Skull a file so no bother with the gun sport. And for the Kyle we go chad and it a comfort. Chip up the eyes make it any pour out. Yeah me feel nice that I when me sure about. Weed me fly when me say me source out. From the grab a leaf right everywhere me tour out. Watch ya know the place nice. Base color on the ground. Campari put little color on the rum. Tell you no me never afraid of no man from me young dogs. Smaddy you forget it from me wall and from me. Hey champagne bubble and so me gyal along. Give her piece of brick make she go down it on a salon. Chop a live it you know fi study we no come on. Anywhere we go the money fi come along. Gyal get wild when you grab her with the rum soak. Man wild yeah we bad and we no run joke. Skull a file so no bother with the gun sport. After the Kyle we go chad and it a. Hey chip up the eyes make it any pour out.
Hey, give it up to Black Talent. Wagwan, where you some Jenna?
Just for some clarification, the drawstring is a drawstring bag. The bag where you draw the string.
Alright, the man doesn't make it clear. Hey, to the public and to all the judges right here. Big up myself, Black Talent, you always found with something new. Hey, big up me like this. Hey, stand up here, Summer Jenna. You don't get the score a bit. What you mean? Alright, General, Black Talent there. 100% talent Jamaica.
100% authentic artist, original artist, bad artist. May I tell you something? You have a rock. You have a rock. You see the rock there? You see anytime you start incorporate the rock there in your performance, a trouble. I don't know if you know a rock, you know. When you only if you know it. Only if you know it. So you need to incorporate it more in your performance.
Yo, boss.
So for me, it's a solid 7, my general. Hold them.
Harley. Alright, Lady Tash. Lady Tash. Hey, she just go write down the score too, you know.
I love this contestant. You're so consistent. You just have a different flair and a little flavor to you, and your swag always up there. For real, it's a solid 8 from me. I just wanted like a more interaction, you know. But yeah, do your thing.
Straight up. Alright. Yeah, Black Talent, Nero.
Black Talent is a 8 for me, said we. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's a 8.
Keisha, Las Vegas.
I always have fun with the music, and your style is different. Your voice and your little vibe and your little bones. So I give you a 9. I really enjoyed it. Alright?
Alright, Black Talent, what you say? You know it going, you know. Him always found some different type of something, you know. The dress code always watch it. You know what I mean? Him full of swag. Oh, you mean 100% talent Jamaica. Hey, this is how we're doing it right now for this week. Hey, all the artists, never go on good. But like go on, move them to another level. Make your way to center stage. Is another best bad artist right now. You know what I mean? Oh, you mean? What you need, my brother? What go on? Like a guard up in a them ring there, you know? What you go on with? Hey, big up these contestants right now. Big up yourself, my general. What you have for 100% talent right now?
Yeah, blessings. Bless up everybody who there. Yeah, you know, say tomorrow I'm strong, so I'm forward with an excited performance. You see me? Yeah, big up everybody on the Instagram live. Because I see it, you know. Smokey. Judges, big up on yourself. Yeah. May I tell you, see me have ambition. My dream not the rightest out of the airport. All around France. You see me? Let me tell you, our general. You know what thing go. Tash, Keisha, Nero. Yeah man, give me some volume a little bit for me. Alright, every day man clean and I live them dream. And I count money like a money machine. Roll out me and the team here, be a gal a scream. Be a head a pass when there's a rolling. Every day man clean and I live them dream. And I count money like a money machine. Roll out me and the team here, be a gal a scream. Gal a just when there's a rolling. Watch out now, I saw we do it and no care. No sir, dog them never have fear. Run up on the team and something must steer. Anywhere you see me, yo dog the team, they there. Hennessy a pull and I never like beer. I'm a swear better life I feel live this year. Turn it up, no care about who no want here. We out here without fear, without fear. We out here man clean and I live them. And I count money like a money machine. Roll up me and the team here, be a gal a scream. Be a head a pass when there's a rolling. Every day man clean and I live for me. And I count money like a money machine. Roll up me and the team here, be a head a pass when second girl. Yo, them know what to work. With this overturn, they know say you're dirt. Big Gucci belt, where they under me shirt. Girl, them love the badness, so them not gone to church. Them girl for me, she back up like she a reverse. As me waking up the morning, split my light first. Long life on the pre go tell her with the earth. Put me don't stop prayer because the prayer never work. Blessing off me flow all when we no go church. Tell bad man move when them see me done a work. See them from me page and them a watch, them a lurk. Hear that choppy line down, go look at work. For the money man go search man, clean and I live them dreams. And I put money like, yeah.
And this year really forward out, excited for real. The man forward out, the man say clean like Jesus peace, you know. So you know that going on. You get to be a talk about Harold. Hey, Portmore for sure.
Yo, Vaz. Desi Frost. Yeah. Love how you deal with the energy on the stage, my general. Love the projection where you use as well. You know what I mean? Love the summer vibe, the party vibes, the Christmas vibe. Any type of vibe. When you talk about raving, you talk about a song like that. You see me I deal with? in a real life, you know what the problem though? Breath control. You know. Yeah. Yes, when you reach in the second verse, you see, because you put so much energy in the first verse, one piece of breath control all in the second verse, and you have to thump up back your rhythm. But that's how it go. I just we have to work on it. As me says, a solid 8, my general.
Alright, thank you for that, our general. Yes, Kisha Las Vegas. ABC put a big smile on your face around the zone. Your smile gone weird on one part.
You know, some persons might not agree with me, but you remind me a bit of popcorn. You know them fun party vibes saying, yo! I don't know how to do it, but whatever. You remind me of that. You make up your own thing as you go along, and we're having fun with the idea of you. So for me, I give you a 9.
Hey, thank you for that. Nero Balisha, quick and fast. You know.
It's a 9 for me still. That's a breath control problem. Nothing else. That's
Alright, Desi, I tell you, you're forward. Hey, but have one hill, run one part of greater than this. But why you start the running from the foot of the hill, go way up to the top. See? Big up yourself. Hopefully to see you on the next round, my brother. Hey, the band come out hard. You know, the band say clean like Jesus peace. Alright? Alright, so moving on to another contestant right now. You don't know the thing going on. Hey, Nuzzle, make your way to center stage right now. Pick on fast. Hey, Nuzzle, big up yourself. Well, I tell you how the country around, my boss. Hey, the country around away. What you have for us today? The Jamaica and the world watching right now. All the viewers, remember to keep the vote coming in for all artists. Alright, dozen.
Alright, big up on yourself. I want to say, I change our plan. I do a cover from a cover. So, open and enjoy it. DJ Smokey. I'm going to just have a right there. I want love one. Who do you say X? DJ Smokey up. Balloons are deflated. I guess they look lifeless like me. We miss you over the other side of the bed. We still got your things here. They stare at me like souvenirs. It's just another side of the bed. It's like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. I know that it's lovely, but nothing lasts forever. It's cold outside, the day you walk on my life. But why you walk on my life? I feel like this every time. On this day it feels like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary. Cause I feel like this every time. On this day it feels like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary. Hope you do remember me. And I just want a letter, but just write it. So tell me how it's so. The same love one. And it's a cover for your cover. Just remember. Hey, I still got my hopes up. My presents are open up to this day. I still have all the messages that you sent. I'm foolishly patient. Can't get back the love that I missed. Don't want to let you out of my head. Seems like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. I know that I missed you, but nothing lasts forever. It's cold outside, the day you walk on my life. Why you walk on my life? Said I feel like this every time. On this day it feels like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary.
Yes, Dozo, big up yourself, great one. Hey, from Dozo, may I tell you? Yes, the one that just right, my boss. Hey, well fresh. All right, straight into it. Moving on to our judges right now. Kisha Las Vegas. Yeah. Dozo singing for you.
I like the song choice, but I'd hope in the future that will know the song better. But for me, I'll give him an 8. It was good.
Thank you, Kisha. Yes, Nero.
A 10 for me, you know. You know what I mean? When you hear a good song, yo, buzz, good song is good song. Doesn't always sing some song where out of the box or out of the way. We never hear them come sing about money and big house and chain and them sitting there. Them think they, you see me? But the fact they walk in and them have a paper in front of them where they have present to you and say, yo, that is creativity, brother. 1 out of 10. Nah lie.
Big up yourself, Nero. Thank you for that. Yes, Lady Tash. But hear what Lady Tash have to say. Dozen is here for you.
The vibe is just right. The man just solid. And every week you come, you just sure. It's a straight 10. From the last week, I promise you a dozen vote, you know. You say it's right about now.
Watch this.
Oh my God!
Watch this.
Alright, dozen, me I tell you.
Watch this.
Dozen vote for you, dozen.
Dozen. Holy power. Yeah.
I took another change.
Thank you for that, Lady Tash. Hey, doesn't that mean, you know, you're going good for us, so you make a judge get up and gear. You know what I mean? And money pull up, you just get, you know. Alright, our general.
Yo, Vaz. Yeah, bad artist doesn't. Never fail we yet. You see me I deal with it for no 12 then I home, you know, you know. Doesn't alone, you know. Yo, Vaz, me I deal with big song. You see me I deal, but here we go on, you know. Here we go on. You see original song them me I work with. Straight. Yo, Vaz, me I deal because I know you have the potential can write some. You know what I mean? Tough, different type of songs. So at that me I work it. So it's a solid 9, my God.
Yeah, and my respect, that the judge them there for. I make you know what I go on to.
Oh, you mean? Thank you for that, our general. Does a big up yourself, a Portmore artist. May I tell you? Yeah, but go on good. Hey, sing it for the beautiful ladies. Hey, sing it. You don't sing for the man too, you know. But like where go on. Yeah. Hey, the rhythm sound like a Taurus trying to beat you, you know. You know what I mean? We're moving on to another contestants right now. 100% talent Jamaica. Hey, big up Pepper. You know what's going on. Everything alright. Make your way to center stage, my boss. What you mean? 100% talent. You know we do it already. Introduce yourself to Jamaica, my boss. Do it.
Yeah, man. I first time on this. You see me? I say big up the judge, man. Everyone who follow that and thing. You see it? Yeah. You know I do a tune. That tune, yeah. And I really feat with him this till now, to tell you the honest truth. But the rhythm kinda, you know, so just a work with the rhythm I see me. But it's a life story thing still, you know what I think so. Alright, me kick it up. Alright then, what you know, more time me feel stressed out, yeah me feel left out. Painful memory, then me wish me coulda block them out. Me lose my father for my birthday, me mother drop out. Family me say, loyalty me all about. Me brother them keep it genuine, never sell me out. Them that they through the thick until they know fi hold it out. Them a road that when me tread is not an easy road. Jaja protect me head but the thing them a feel loud. Can't give me cheap and that me can't afford. Me get tired for the weed, me gonna cut it loud. Me see success a coming, know it a go loud. Mommy they up a heaven but me have to make she proud. You a Benz and be my Fyah touchy road. Why me family them everything them can't afford. Me brother them believe na me them never have no doubt. But me wish mommy did the bout. Cause sometimes man feel so alone. Starting this journey on my own, Jaja never left my side and me never left it, no. Sometimes man feel so alone. Starting this journey on my own, Jaja never left my side and me never left it, no. Me know me born for great, can't hold me down, just bust the gate. Can't keep man pan a level, man a elevate. Me drop it's like a bamboo, make the place a shake. Me brother them no soft, cause we no paper plate. We been through lot of hard time, but still we hold the faith. Then see me smile, but no know the pressure when me face. Daddy drop out and me really miss the same face. Sad memory got me a stare in a space. Yeah. Sometimes man feel so alone. That in the journey on my own, that I never left my side and me never left it, no. Sometimes man feel so alone. That in the journey on my own, that I never left my side and me never left it, no.
Alright, Frasa Body. Hey, make up yourself 100% talent Jamaica. You know what's going on. Nero Malisha.
You know, big man thing still. When we get exposed to the international market, I start to meet some people who them are the driver behind some certain music. When I hear someone get nominated for Grammy, them people they will sit down and talk to more while. I get for over say, you see the continuous fast lyrics, it only work for you so. I hear everything we have to still, you know. It's a solid 8 to get to that still, you see me? Must make it clear, say, music no stop us, so Jamaica now for real for your brother, because the world bigger than what you think, you see me, I say? But you see the compact, you see me? Sometimes it miss people. It sometimes miss all the ears of the person who will make you the biggest thing tomorrow morning, so, don't know, yeah, solid 8.
Alright, thank you for that, Nero. Yes, Kisha.
I too will give you an 8. I like the idea of what you're saying, but as you said, the speed. We need to be able to hear what you're saying clearly. It's not one of those, the rhythm then will keep you moving no matter what you're saying. With this rhythm, you're going to want to listen into what your words are, and I wasn't hearing you clearly, honestly.
Alright, everybody give us a number. Make we have a number, please. Just a number.
You know, a solid 8, man. Frost money. Hold it.
Alright, thank you for that. 8.
It's a 9 for us.
Alright, big up yourself, Frost. You know it go. I don't know, hopefully to see you in the next round, my brother. 100% talent Jamaica. Ain't doing big things, as always say, moving the artist to another level. Remember, this show is full of potential. May I tell you, moving on to our next contestants right now. Make your way to center stage right now. The man will say, sky high. Sky high. We are dealing real flavor. The man read out today. You know, I be a judgment. What you deal with? What you have for it this week?
It's a blessing in $1 million voice. Yeah, man. Big up all of my judges them, you know what I mean? 100% talent. I'm there, you know what I mean? I go burn a fire, you know what I mean, today. Yeah, because I don't like how I go on. Yo, Jaja. Them raise gas, them raise oil. Yo, Jah know me can't go buy food. What we are going to do? People suffering. Bigger heads, them don't care. World is mashing up. All the leaders so unfair. Like you blind, it's like you blind, it's like you blind. Where you going is like you're way behind the time. People suffering, yo, the crime is still a climber. The pandemic that allowed by your mind. For 60 million, you sell up for your own kind. Everything you listen to, you have your own mind. Leader is a leader, one in front, no back in line. You call yourself a leader, then you need to get reminded. People hungry and want food, but you not care when you are full. I just yourself you a thing, but for the people them now wait till you not pull. You stop dance and drink out. People just dramatize, can't mingle. Nowadays you fit think good. When the people them fed up and the place get bring to the same tragedy and expect different results. Sign of insanity. A sign of insanity. Me find out they lost their morality. How the bills them a go pay if every day we lock down. Can't live off a charity. The poor are majority. Day to day we have to work, can't take this a policy. Get educated now they want to fool with. Oh corona when a chambosis. Murder and make a code in a 2 day. If you take the vaccine, you a research project them. Get people sick if you continue treat them. Addy, money a sweet them. Me know what I beat them. I think for themselves, we know them do it then. Look how them lucky weekend. Dream weekend. You say me at the sky high. Real flavor, you know, think of me love them a go on with. Look how people hungry. You say me I say, do the thing alright, they say, they roll it up.
I mean, a real favor. Thank you for that one. Our general, right into the show.
Yo, Vaz. Yeah, sky real flavor. We love how you are Banton and Half Pint and represent for the poor people, them, the people them who are feeling it in the injustice time right now. They say me I deal with, but me personally, I think of the right rhythm that you choose. The rhythm they kind of rough. The rhythm they are rough up. You see me I deal with more time here, you have to just drop back and just flow upon it same way. You see me I deal, but me think say you don't want a better rhythm with the words them way you have to say and be more clearer so people hear what you say. You see me I deal with. So with that, me give you a solid 7, my general.
Thank you for that words of advice, and I mean, Lady Dash.
Yes, real flavor, right? The flavor was real still because the message was rich. But me never see the connection with the rhythm and the... Alright, then the flavor never miss no ingredients, then it rich. It's a solid 9 from there, right?
Thank you, Dash, for that one. Alright? Yeah, Kisha Las Vegas.
I realized that, you know, you came hungry for it, you know, and I'll give you a 9. I really enjoyed the performance. was strong and I enjoyed it.
All right, thank you all the judges. I mean, real flavor. Big up yourself, Nero. Wagwan.
All right, so it's a solid 7 for me. Just like what Arrow said. Yo, the contestant, if you not hear me well, brethren. You saw in a competition, bro. I can't find for one rhythm. Find a rhythm we can suit on a song in a brother cause I no I got bid. Hey, listen to me. Find on a rhythm. If you can't find a rhythm, find a rhythm we can fit on a song.
All right.
Please and thank you. Solid 7. Big up. Said we. Don't know about the artist them said we. We don't know.
I mean, real flavor says Sky High. Big up yourself. Remember to continue to keep the votes coming in. Everybody out there, I mean, you're moving on to another contestants right now. Hey, remember this show is really excited. 100% talent Jamaica. Hey, we are bringing it to now. Hey, we are doing. Hey, Mr. We're excited. Portmore talent excited. Wagwan. Hey, I know what she are forward, you know. I know what she are forward with. You don't know, so right now, I just want you to bring it to Jamaica and the world and show them we're 100% talent Jamaica and move the skankers them, all the artists them to another level. Let's do this right now. 100% talent Jamaica. Who don't watch what go on? Me say we're excited.
Ahora, wicked. Wagwan bad charge. Over jungle, wicked man thing. Waterhouse, wicked man thing. Rona Juice Land, wicked man thing. Look how the AK pretty and slim. Rona Backdoor, wicked man thing. Rona Blackburn pen, wicked man thing. Portmore say, wicked man thing. Wicked. Oh, you never try this and holy man. Send me a pop the holding on. Rifle a wave like a broomy man. Wicked. Boy, Spanish town man a evil man. Murder people and beat me man. This yard man you have to leave the land. Wicked. Them must feel like me gun them trade the board them thing. When the rifle turn on and go board them thing. Body gone for ice that a frozen thing. Big fat berry tar roam like sin. I'ma go touch pon the fire ring pin. Can the stone in like a golden spring. Boy, head up is a open thing. Like when Mickey Bailey go open sting. St. Thomas say, wicked man thing. August Town say, wicked man thing. Papin Tug say, wicked man thing. Wicked. Jungle 12 say, wicked man thing. Clarendon Tug say, wicked man thing. Bobby Tugs them say, wicked man thing. Wicked. Shot them and figure them. Boy you fit dead when them see me strap them. The Astro, the Ruger, the Mac them. Funeral when me hold them and knock them. And I take a rap them. Anytime me and sister kidnap them. Boy you tell me ya him run the place and me know say it is not them. The Valley Garden, wicked man thing.
Wicked, all excited. You know what's going on? Yeah, she come perform for we now, I swear. You know what's going on? See 100% talent Jamaica. Yes, Kisha.
Oy.
Turn it down. Yes, Kisha.
Wicked. 7.
7. Nero Malisha.
Wicked man thing. Waterhouse, wicked man thing. Rona Juice Land, wicked man thing. Look how the
I give her a 9 still, but I'm kind of confused. I think she know why I'm confused.
Wicked man thing.
So the song choice kind of confused. But I don't want to go there.
Yeah.
Give her a 9.
Thank you for that, Nero Malisha. Alright, them. What you say?
Yo, but yeah, we like how she remain authentic doing Jamaican dances and stuff. You know what I mean? Sticking to our culture and our standard and sharing it to the wider mass of the world. Cause that make we unique, our culture. You know what I mean? So big up yourself as a skanker, you enjoy, you go on good, you make the place entertain just all go. So me give you a solid 8 same way, isn't it?
100% talent Jamaica, she keeping all of us dancing right now, Lady Tash.
That was a wicked performance, Marjorie. Butter up. It's a solid 9.
Alright, thank you all the judges. Big up yourself. Hopefully to see you in the next round. Hey, the skanker the bagua put it on. Watch them. Turn up the rhythm. Turn up the beat. Excited. All the judges right now. Big up on yourself. Hey, trust me. But really proud of that show you're going on. And I really appreciate to be a part of this show. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself, anybody who made this possible right now. We're moving on to another contestant right now. Are you ready? Another contestant, make your way to center stage right now. Yay! Yay ball! What you do with the eyeball? What you mean? Pick up yourself, the whole of East. What you going with?
You know it come down, man, $1 million vibes in a man. God is good in a man. You know what I mean? Judges, every contestant, you know it come down. God is good, and I always happy to be here. I have to endorse that every time. You know what I mean? Because it's 100% talent. It's a different show. And the regular talent show. You know what I mean? So I forever endorse that. But it's a big woman thing. I know someone see me in my suit of black today. God is good. But still always I'm one. Because you know the thing go. See, pray? So, you see that song today? Remember all of the mothers them. But pass. All of the sisters them. All of the female them who have a friend or sister. You know what I mean? Same speed me remember capable sister. Tommy. R.I.P. Capable and the whole family. Condolence. See me. The eyeball general representing. Smokey would even come for talk too long. You know, it's like, mommy where you gone, mommy where you gone, mommy where you gone for, you should have waited a little longer. Wish the day when you call my answer, now everything you teach me make me stronger. Mommy where you gone for, you should have waited a little longer. I wish the day when you call my answer. Now everything you teach me make me stronger. Hey, mommy, from 2015 I want to speak. And I like me could do it, but me can't see it. Still I tell myself, say me go and do it. Oh, me for accept roses from concrete. Cry when me see them wrap your body in the white sheet. Torment soul at night time like me can't sleep. Every time I run cross my mind, skip a heartbeat. Condolence and memories make me can't eat. Mommy, where you gone for? You should have waited a little longer. Wish the day when you call my answer. Now everything you teach me make me stronger. Mommy, where you gone for? You should have waited a little longer. Wish the day when you call my answer. Level down the rhythm there. Queen of the pack, you are my idol. When we're hungry, you never make it viral. All when the perm, the my twist one was spinal. Bill and go and wait for survival. Enough things my mother tell me to. Don't feel like every friend with you. And I make them rub them hand in your head, nigga. Cause enough of them out there will envy you. Mommy, where you gone for? You should have waited a little longer. I wish the day when you call my answer. Now everything you teach me make. Mommy, where you? You should have waited a little. Wish the day when you. Dash. That is good.
Alright, big it up to all the brothers pass off out there. Guardians! You know it going on. Yeah, ball, big up yourself. Alright, starting with the bad Nero.
We get to realize, say, the two soldiers them. Man, I'm not really do this to the show, you know, brother. Man, I'm not do it because I love it and I want to be a part of the show, which is great, you know. Acknowledge them on them said way. Show respect to them said way. A solid 8 for me right there, so. You see me I say? But you don't know, Yaibal capable, the whole Mountain View massive. Me not feel like them want to afford for the money, them afford because they want to be a part of the show and exploit them talent as much as possible.
Yeah.
You understand? So God is good all the time, fam. Big up yourself. I feel I want them, my G. You know what I mean? Last every day. You don't know.
Alright, I think a big one. I like the content of the song, you know what I mean? Kisha Las Vegas.
I'll give you a 10. I don't want to start on this one, so I'll just give it a 10. I'll leave it there. So big up yourself, Beverly Dunn. Anybody who know that woman there from Bridgeport? Yeah. Big up yourself, Mama. You're gone. But may I tell you, big up yourself. A 10.
Thank you for that, Kisha Las Vegas. You know it feel for last your mother. You know the feelings there. Our General, Yaibal.
Yaibal. Yeah. Big song representing for the fallen mothers, them sister, auntie, you know. Representing. You see me I deal with. I love the song. I love the song. But me feel Yaibal could have delivered better. Because I know Yaibal is a bad artist. Yeah. And not a normal artist. So me feel like But you want more soul in the bad song. But you want more soul out of it. You see me I deal with, but a powerful song. Just want the soul, you know. Solid 8.
Words of advice, Yai Ball. Original, thank you for that, Lady Tash. Mommy, where you gone for?
I love the song. I love the punchline. It reminds me of Bob Marley that although him gone a long time, they still can't have him song One Love all the time. So I get that feelings from it. Yai Ball is a solid 10 from me.
Hey, big up yourself, Yai Ball. You know what's going on. Hey, I tell you, the talent show is so excited right now. Big up my general. Hopefully to see you in the next show and see him here. Hey, mommy, where you gone for? You should have waited a little longer. Big up yourself, my general. I can't sing to you know. Them for write some song, give me now. Fool, hey, 100% talent Jamaica. This is how we're doing it right now. If you lost your mom or you lost a family member, our condolence from the whole 100% talent Jamaica. We're moving on to our next contestants right now. Keeping the show excited. Keep it rolling right now. Make your way to center stage. Next performer and next contestants. Where am there? Capable. Make your way to center stage, my boss. What y'all deal with? Everything alright? Alright, do your thing, my brother.
Yeah, respect, you know. You know the thing go. We got the whole talent show, 100% talent. We got all of the contestants, them. I mean, I say, you know the thing go. Hold on, Smokey. You know, I always have all I made to the people before I perform. I lie? I say in a life, everybody go through tribulation, everybody have adversity. So I say, yeah. So you know, it's like I try my best to encourage my people, my fan them, the judge them, the contestant them say no matter what we now go through, you see me? Just remember Psalms 23, 35 and 91. Trample the beast, is it? Go through and persevere with whatever we now deal. Because you don't know, I just do my sister, I'm out there represent. Lion not, same way, you hear that? Yes! Firm. You just really know Smokey. So guess what? You have to firm in a life, you know. And believe in your dream, get a youth, I'm say national, no let go. Yeah, man, I come from far, I'm still a try. Never bad mind, work hard till I feel the time. Fisty them a try style, more while put pain in a me heart, but they still not see me cry. Now the game start change, them a see the sign. Man, I work hard and I pray and I study crime. Keep people out here like the way that time. I for wise, I for prudent, from you get a child. Me say me no just face our people, we quick to show you them teeth till they get a smile. Third eye never close round you, so me no sleep from your counterfeit. Me have to recognize. Yeah. Man, I try them best right now for the right in a life, put the best side out. Still, man, I left my own, cause the crab in a barrel, and now I'm a climb out. Man, I try them best right now for the right in a life, put the best side out. Man, I left my own. Yeah, hear me? Alright, work hard then me work harder. Like the father for the Gaza or a farmer, rather till the soil than make a next boy I mind my daughter. So me pray to the most side of the master. Long life on earth, wisdom I ask for. For make any time me elevate in a life. The enemy them rise against me no prosper. Big up my mother. Man, I try them best right now for the right in a life, put the best side out. Still, man, I left my own, cause the crab in a barrel, them now I'm a climb out. So, man, I try them best right now for the right in a life, put the best side out. Man, I left my own. Come on, I come from far, I'm still a try. Never bad mind, work hard till I feel me time. Visit them a try style, more while put pain in a me heart, but you still not see me cry. Now the game start change, them a see the sign. Man, I work hard and I pray and I study crime. Every day I'm out here, like the way that time I for wise, I for prudent, when you get a child. Yeah, hear me? Man, I try them best right now, for the right in a life, for the best side out. Yeah, they say, hear that?
Hey, man, I try them best right now. Capable. May I tell you, hey, them artists sound like a bus artist already. Like them gone through the gate already. As when Nero said them just there for just enter the competition for, you know what I mean? Showcase them talent, moving. Remember 100% talent Jamaica is moving artists to another level right now. Alright, so Nero Malisha, what you think about Capable performance?
I always think good because Capable never like make me have nothing else to say, really and truly, you understand? This song I know, solid than concrete right now, I can tell you. If you listen to the words, how more time I never listen to? when the singers them are sing and I miss notes and stuff and we need to, you know, cause practice becomes perfect. So we listen to the words that I portray. You understand? So capable is a 9 that in my G, you know. Big man thing. The next 1% where that get from a 10 because you know you're not to move up and down, but that's not really your style. You have to just understand that your style is different. You get me I said? So
right,
yeah, 9.
Big up Nero, what you mean? Kisha Las Vegas.
Cable is a 9 for me as well.
Yo, Vaz. Alright then.
Yo, Vaz.
Yo, Vaz.
Yeah, bad artist capable. You see me I deal tough song. You see me I deal, but watch your style I know. Me know capable and me follow capable upon social media. And I know what capable is capable of. Yo, Vaz, when me I deal with. So watch you know. You have iron level. As an artist, we go high, we go level. We go high, we go level. It no matter the rhythm. We just interchange. We not do it flat. We know that as artists. We never stay upon the same key throughout the song. You see me I deal with. And me see you never go your key them. And me know you key them. You know me I deal. So it's a solid 8, my God. Hold them.
Thank you for that advice, Lady Tash.
Great message it was. It's a solid 8 for me.
Alright, big up yourself, capable, may I tell you. Hey, go and hold them same way, you know. Yeah. Hey, me like go on in the show. You understand? So we could keep it rolling right now. Hey, we're moving on to another contestant. Hey, make your way to center stage right now. Oh, we're going for a 5 minutes break. Alright, we're going for a 5 minutes break. We will be right back. 100% talent Jamaica. Hey. I feel excitement over here. Say, no, 100% talent Jamaica. We be right back, alright?